I have in here my homemade garlic. I fill these bottles up, by the way. Chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, thyme, salt, and pepper. And that's kosher salt. I have an onion here cut up, and we're going to make whole chicken and then okay, my chicken has been washed and dried. Normally you don't have to do this if you're cooking in an oven. I'm only going to go up to 400 degrees. And, you know, the heat kills bacteria, but I did wash it completely anyways and dried it. So we are going to add, I got my gloves on, we're going to add salt in the cavity. I'm just going to pour me a little so I'm not contaminating anything. Salt on the top now. And when you grab any of the jars, wash them down, seasoning jars. You know, wash them down when you're done. There's my garlic powder, chicken flavor that I did. All that is, there's bouillon in there, chicken bouillon, some chicken seasoning, bouillon, and paprika, and some other stuff I'll have to do a video on. I thought I already did one, but you can get that chicken seasoning in the store. Okay, before I go any farther, I want to add these onions. I got one cut up onion I'm going to add to the cavity. Right there. I'm going to add that right in. That's just for flavor. Get it all in there. There. Now if you can, you got enough skin, pull on it to close it up. Okay, and then now I want to add some thyme to the top. You can add it to the cavity if you wish to. I'm not gonna. A little bit of olive oil. I should have did that first. Or vegetable oil. I'm just gonna spray it. I'm gonna spray both sides. As you see, it's not fully dried, but it's fine. It's gonna get pressure cooked anyways. Add some pepper. Gotta do that. There's a pepper. Okay, let's get this in the basket. You can do the other side if you wish to. Okay, you wanna make sure your legs are down there. You don't want them scorching. Anything that you think might scorch from air frying, try to get them down there. Okay, we got our chicken in, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do now. To my pot, I'm gonna add 1 3/4 cup water. I'm going to add the giblets that we got inside the cavity when we washed it. I'm going to add all that to the water. Got to have that flavor. The gizzards, the heart. Got to have all that for flavor because I'm going to make use out of that. All right. Chicken is in. Got the water in, and this inner pot's gonna go in the Ninja. Pressure lid on. It's unbent. Pressure high, and I'm gonna go 20 minutes. Actually, yeah, we'll go 19. Okay, 19 minutes. Start. This will spin, and then it'll start up. About 3 minutes. Soapy rag. Got to get these wiped off. Any contamination. naturally released for 10 minutes after it was done, so it says 11. We're going to let that out, and we're going to pull this out.
Let's
be right
check
back. Oh, that looks really good, folks. And I haven't even air fried it yet. So what I'm going to do is take out the drippings from the bottom of this, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to pull it here. Let me show you the chicken right now. That's just pressure cooked. Now these legs I'm going to push down in so I don't get them burnt. Okay, I'm going to lift this out and get the juice out. Okay. Look at that. I put in 1 3/4 cup, and I'm up to 4 cups. All right, I'm going to put this back in here. Look at that goodness. Oh, let's lift it up so you can see it. We'll let that sit, get some of that fat from here. You don't need to wash it. You don't need to wash your inner pot. We're going to put this back in here, and we're going to bake roast it for a few. Make sure your legs are down in. That's a big thing. Okay, close this. Okay, air fry, air crisp. Go 400. Hang on here. Let me set this for, we'll go 20 minutes and then check it. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're gonna get ready and check it. Got about 40 seconds left, so let's give it a check and see what's going on. We're at 140. I don't know if you guys can see it here. We're at 145, so we're gonna let it go the extra 10 minutes. 146. Okay, let me check the leg. The legs are definitely done. They're at like 190. We'll go another 10. But I think what I'm going to do, you guys, do 10 minutes on air fry and 10 minutes on bake roast. And if the top isn't crispy enough for me, I'll let it go for a little bit longer. Bake roast. And we'll go 400 degrees. We'll check it in about 8 minutes. Okay, let's check it. Oh, it's crispy. Okay, we're at about 170. Okay, it's done. Turn this off, and we're gonna wait a minute and pull this out and let it rest for about an hour. Oh, it's so good. The potatoes. I made some gravy, but I didn't put it over the top. Got me a leg and some breast. There we go. Have a great day.